Hi everyone, my name's Evan and this is the Powermatic 3. It's the newest addition to the Powermatic line from r.y.o. They had the Powermatic 1 and the Powermatic 2 before this, which were Powermatic 1's a manual and the Powermatic 2 has still a little lever that you have to press down. And the reason I like this one better than those last two is you can just add in the tobacco here, close the lid, and you don't have to keep on tamping it each time or picking out the exact amount you want in the cigarette each time. The machine will go ahead and do that for you. And in order to do that, you also have a little density adjustment. So if you like your cigarettes with more tobacco in them, you can press it up here and you see the bars fill all the way to the top, and you'll push it down and you'll get less tobacco. I like mine right in the middle. And you probably won't be able to hear it on the video, but when you press those buttons, you can hear something going on inside the machine to get it to exactly where it needs to be, a little whirring. So the tobacco we're using today is shredded blended strips. So this is our red ribbon blend, so the full flavor. And these are our Just Good Tobacco full flavor tubes. So I'm just go ahead and slide it on here. I don't need to push this down or anything. You know, just leave that, the machine will do it all. I just load the cigarette tube on, press the start button, and we go ahead and fills the cigarette. You know, that's a nice tight cigarette. You know, this machine only does kings, it doesn't do hundreds. One of the main reasons that people want to do hundreds is because they want a longer lasting smoke. And when you roll with all natural tobacco that doesn't have the added preservatives or accelerants, you'll find that you can get a longer smoke from a king size cigarette. And so you don't need to go do 100 necessarily. I fouled that tube up. Go ahead and just pops them off real quick. It's got a nice firm body to the cigarette. You know, as you feel up, there's no gaps, there's no, you know, this side is looser than this side. It's all pretty much consistent across the cigarette, which is what you really want, and what sometimes you can't get if you are hand packing your own or trying to adjust how much tobacco you're getting in the cigarette. You know, it's hard to do that by feel sometimes. It's easy, just load the tube on, press the start button, finishes off and puts it right there. Load the tube on, press the start button. And what's going on is that you can hear it cycling a couple extra times because we're getting kind of low on tobacco. So let me go ahead and grab some more and put it in there. And I just kind of like to sprinkle it in there so I can make sure that I don't have any big stems or something that might gum up the machine like this. This is a little bit tough for it. So, but it's, you know, it's just generally even in there. You know, it's not measured out or anything. So the machine really does all that. It's a very low maintenance, low effort. There we go. Got a little tray over here that you can keep them in, or keep the cleaning tools, whichever you like. I like to hold my cigarettes there so they don't go rolling. I messed that tube up. And you can see, so when you put the tube on and press the start button, this little piece right here comes down and holds that tube in place until it's filled all the way, and then it can just slide right off. It's easy, and if you want to order one or have any questions about the machine, you can go ahead and visit us at www.leavesandshredders.com, or you can go ahead and give us a call at 1-800-243-2737. That's also 1-800-CHEAPER. All right. Have a great day, y'all.